Hi Vogue, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna do my daily skincare routine and do it like how they do it at Vogue and have those beauty secrets with Hailey Bieber and all that. And yeah, so I'm at home. So most of my products are those travel friendly products with the small ones that you can put in a pouch and take it. And some of them are my mom's because I didn't bring mine. And here it's like peak summer, so I'm gonna keep it very simple and minimal. I don't want to put too many things on my face. And yeah, so let's go. So first things first, I'm gonna wash my face, and I have this Neutrogena Deep Clean cleanser, which is for normal and oily skin. So it's actually my mom's, and I also have not oily skin, and also because it's hot, so it's good to like get everything off and just start with a good base. So a little tea on Vogue while I cleanse my face. So they are suing another brand or company called Dog. It's like basically the Vogue name, but with instead of a V, they're using a D and they're posting like cute dog pictures or like dog related things. And so because it's like I think against their, I think they have the trademark for it and they can't use it and etc. And they are suing these people just because they have that same like name and everything, and it sounds and it's like defaming Vogue and everything. So I don't know what's the latest on this, but yeah, they're suing them. So I hope they don't take this video down because I'm using that beauty secrets or whatever. I just hope. I'm just doing this for fun. I don't wanna, I don't know, let's see. So I just finished washing my face and it honestly feels so good because it's so hot here, and just putting water on your face feels like such a relief. So yeah, please wash your face before you sleep. It's not a good weather. It's not good to keep anything on your face when you're sleeping, especially makeup. Oh my god, please wash your face before you sleep. So after you wash your face, the next step is obviously use a toner. So I have acne prone skin, and so I use this tea tree toner from the Body Shop, and it's honestly a lifesaver. Even when I get like pimples on like a monthly basis, I try to make like homemade pimple patches with this. So you put it in a cotton bud and you just stick it on your face, and you sleep with it overnight. And it's really helped me, and it's like saved me money on just buying those fancy cutesy pimple patches. This works in like crazy ways, and you don't even have to spend anything. I mean, I already have this. I mean, you probably already have cotton buds obviously, so just put it on your face and just sleep, and by morning it'll be much better than how it was the previous night. So this is a life changer and obviously a very good first step for your skincare routine. So the next step after your toner is kind of like seeps into your skin, like maybe in just like a minute or so, I don't know. So I use this Minimalist Salicylic acid. I usually just skip this during summers because then I don't want too many layers of product on my face, but why not? I usually use it. So you take like maybe four drops of this and just apply it on your face. So salicylic acid is really good if you have like acne prone skin or oily skin. I've been using it for like almost 2 years now. Like 2 years back, I was in Delhi and I for my internship, and towards the end of my internship, I got like really bad breakout for acne, and I was on medication, like due to the tetracycline or something. So I was on medication for 2 months, and I was using salicylic acid with salicylic cleanser, both from Minimalist, and that really helped, like along with the medication, of course. It really helped like bring down the breakout, and I had so many on my face, like around my cheeks, around my chin, I think around my forehead here. And I don't know what triggered it. Maybe it was the pollution, Maybe it was some product I maybe used. I was staying at my grandparents' house, and maybe I used some product, different product which I don't really use on a day-to-day basis. So I don't know what triggered it, but these things like really really help bring my skin back to where it is right now, and I'm so grateful for these products. So if you have acne prone skin or like oily skin, please try to stick to lighter weight products like salicylic acid and lighter moisturizer which are not too thick and creamy for your face, and try to keep it very minimal. And that's like literally that's the best you can do for your skin. So the last step is moisturizer. It's this vitamin B12 from Minimalist. I usually use the vitamin B5, but because I'm at home, this is what's there for me. But I feel the vitamin B5 is much more lightweight compared to this. Both are lightweight, but the vitamin B5 is definitely more lightweight for me. And especially considering this heat and everything, it's very good. You don't want to go to bed feeling very sticky and like feeling oily on your face. And so it's good for like if you have oily skin and you want something lightweight before you sleep, and it's such a good moisturizer. So it's a good alternative for the vitamin B5. But if you're getting the vitamin B5, I would recommend that for like oily skin and everything. But this is also a good alternative. So yeah. And the last step is obviously Vaseline. I mean, it's a non-negotiable. You don't even need it in this weather, but after you wash your face, you need something on your lips, otherwise it's gonna get chapped. Even though the weather is not dry, it's just humid and hot. Yeah, that's my skincare routine. And disclaimer: none of these are sponsored. Nothing is sponsored. Nobody sponsors me for anything yet. All of these products are products I have been using it for years now. Like as I said, I had acne and everything, so I've been using it for years, and it's worked for me. It's worked for my skin. And obviously, you should always patch test before you like go full all in for any product. Maybe you can just buy these sample sizes and try them on your skin, and if it works, it works. And all skin types are different. No, like maybe this product works for me but it might not work for you. So always do a patch test, try the product, see if it works for you. If it doesn't work for you, don't use it. Don't try to like make it work or whatever. Just get a different product which might suit your skin. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.